Here we are. Like I said, we're not checking for like power or anything like that. I'm just here to find the noise, like the whining noise that the truck is making, and that's pretty much it. There's a setup right here to make sure they you don't go launching out into the parking lot. So we're out of there. I'm sorry I didn't get that much of the dyno, but it's freaking weird. It wouldn't make the noise. It wouldn't make the noise on the dyno, even with putting a load on it. I took the guy for a ride. He heard the noise and everything, but he's still insisting he thinks it's a turbo bellow. But he pressure tested the system, and there's the bellows aren't leaking. There's no leak anywhere. So how can it be a turbo bellow if the bellows aren't leaking? So basically what it comes down to, I drove all the way down here for nothing because I still got no answers. I want to change all the turbo bellows, start there. If they're not leaking, why would I change them? The turbo bellows leaking is what would make the noise. Aggravated, disappointed, because I'm sick of listening to it. I don't know if it's damaging anything. I just want it figured out. Why can't anyone fucking figure it out? So now we're heading back home. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing. I don't know if I'm gonna fucking go to work or go home. I have no idea. I don't know yet. And what is this? Is this a turning lane, or can I stay straight here? I wish I could hear. You can hear hear it with the windows closed, but I still can't tell where it's coming from. Bellows aren't leaking, how would they make a noise? Like, just trying to find it. I even got to the point, like, driving slow. I was in the landfill, like, going up the hill. Not even going up the hill, but just, like, past the scale a little bit. I got out onto the step as I was like driving, trying to figure out where the noise was coming from, and I still couldn't pinpoint it. All I know is good thing I have another cherry limeade Ghost on me. I need my fucking fix. So I found something.
Well, it'll be so much nicer to get that inbound scale working. Holy shit. But, in time, we'll have the building one fixed soon too, by Christmas.
Yeah, soon. Holy fuck, yeah, I hope they figure it out today. This one, I mean, not the building one will be done by New Year's.
Yeah.
Okay, so
knowing how to act, if we get both scales done, the one in the building fixed and this one out here fixed, we'll do like 5 loads a day.
I'll forget it. We're getting a fucking fire coming off of our tires. On my way home, I called my buddy Chance and explained to him like what was going on. He knew about it. I explained it to him like a while ago. He told me to put my ear up to the shift knob. Okay, I'm never gonna get this out. I gotta scale out, hang on. I just scaled out. On my way home, I called my buddy Chance and he said this has happened to him before. He used to have an old Peterbilt. He told me to put my ear up to the shift knob while it was making the noise. So I did it. I thought it was a little bit crazy. I didn't think anything would actually, like, I didn't think I would hear anything. But while the truck was making the noise, I put my ear up to it and it was making the same exact pitched noise as the noise I'm hearing. So I don't know exactly where the problem is coming from, but now I at least know it's coming from like the driveline area. Transmission, clutch, you know, so, like something in that area. So now I know for sure. Everyone else, all the mechanics were telling me turbo, turbo, turbo. Has nothing to do with the turbos or the piping or anything like that. It's coming from somewhere down there. So that's what I figured out for now. I gotta tarp the trailer. It's so hot out there. So there were a few videos where I mentioned on the camera that I didn't want anyone to know that I make videos and shit. And every time I would see someone, I would rip the camera off my head. I'm pretty sure the people I work with know. I think they all know. Not that it really matters, I guess, but like they say remarks. Like if I say something funny, one guy said, "Why don't you put that on the internet? You should put that on the internet." Another person told me, "Oh, look who it is. It's the hardest person in show business." Those little comments, they know. You guys know. You know. Show business. My 100 subscribers. I'm pretty sure they know. Which was inevitable at this point. I know it was gonna happen at some point. Like I'm cringy on video, you know? Maybe I am in real person too. I really don't know. But I don't know. I was just kind of like embarrassed of it. So that's why I didn't want anyone to know. Most of the videos I can't even watch back myself. You know? Because like I don't even like the way I sound most of the time. All the time. So I like making videos and shit. It's just, I don't know, it's embarrassing, I think. But I think they know, and that's okay. See if the camera will pick up the noise through the stick shift. But I don't know if I can get going fast enough. Is it picking it up? There he is, that same guy again that's all over the road with his brakes smoking. They've been smoking for a while, actually. I hope they're not on fire.